Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete chat messages on WhatsApp from both sides. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now open any chat where you've sent a message. For this example, I'll send a quick message so we can see how it works. Once the message is sent, I'll switch over to my second account, which is on WhatsApp Business, to show you how it appears on the other side. As you can see, the message has arrived there. Now, go back to your main WhatsApp. Here, tap and hold on the message you want to delete. At the top, you'll see a delete icon. Tap on that. You'll get two options, delete for me and delete for everyone. To remove the message from both sides, make sure you tap delete for everyone. Now switch back to the other WhatsApp, the business one, and you'll see that the message is deleted from there too. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future tutorials.